Before antibiotics existed, nature had its own defender, garlic. From ancient Egypt to modern science, this humble bulb has been fighting infections naturally for thousands of years. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, released when you crush or chop it. Allicin is what gives garlic its sharp smell and its powerful antimicrobial abilities. It helps kill bacteria, viruses, fungi, and even some parasites. Studies show garlic extracts can fight harmful bacteria like E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Candida, the fungus behind yeast infections. Unlike synthetic antibiotics, garlic doesn't just attack. It supports your body's natural defenses, reducing resistance and inflammation. To activate allicin, crush fresh garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking, or use it raw in honey or warm water. So next time you feel under the weather, reach for nature's antibiotics, garlic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more holistic wellness tips from Holistic Living Essentials.